This is our Jones & Shipman Model 1300 Universal ODID grinder. She's in automatic mode right now. I'm going to bring it in. You can see work head, grinding wheel, and as it traverses into back and forth, it advances the head. Watch that again. We can slow down the table feed. Speeding it back up. And it inches in. This machine, there are multiple speeds on the work head, like step pulleys. You change belt, the head swivels, the grinding head swivels. If you swiveled at 180, on the back side of the machine is an internal grinding attachment. To hit the stop, the work head swivels. Back here, as I said, is the internal attachment, and this is the table also swivels. So this is our Jones & Shipman Universal Cylindrical Grinder. Thank you for watching.